So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome back. Today we'll discuss the essential strategies for securing serverless and containerized workloads in the cloud. These technologies offer scalability and efficiency, but also introduce unique security considerations. Serverless computing, like AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions, allows developers to run code without managing servers. While this simplifies operations, security becomes a shared responsibility. Key security concerns include function permissions, injection attacks, and dependencies. To secure serverless functions, follow these best practices. Apply the principle of least privilege to function permissions using IAM roles. Validate all inputs to prevent injection attacks. Keep dependencies updated to patch vulnerabilities. Implement robust logging and monitoring, and use secure coding practices. Containerization, often using Docker, packages applications and their dependencies into portable images. This improves consistency but requires careful security measures. Vulnerabilities in container images, insecure configurations, and container escape are significant risks. Kubernetes, a container orchestration platform, adds another layer of complexity. Securing Kubernetes involves protecting the control plane, securing worker nodes, managing network policies, and implementing role-based access control, RBAC. Regular security audits are crucial. Several best practices can enhance container security. Use minimal base images to reduce the attack surface. Scan images for vulnerabilities during development and deployment. Enforce the principle of least privilege for containers. Implement network segmentation. And use runtime security tools to detect and prevent threats. Securing serverless and containerized workloads requires a proactive, layered approach. By understanding the unique security challenges and implementing these best practices, you can confidently leverage these technologies in the cloud. And that concludes this video. In our next session, we'll explore how to automate cloud security and use infrastructure as code. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.